In this video, I will show you how to change region on Peacock. So what you're gonna have to do is simply use a VPN. Now, if you're watching shows on Peacock on your computer, I recommend you to download the Google Chrome and then search for VPN Chrome extensions and click on the first link. Now here you have this VPN, and as you can see it's free, and you have a few locations available such as UK, France, Netherlands, Singapore, Tokyo, etc. And basically you have to just click on add to Chrome, and then you're gonna have to simply open it from your extensions tab and select which country you want to connect it to, and then you'll be able to go back to Peacock. So you have to refresh this page, and then you'll see the shows from that specific countries. So basically that's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.